We have discussed in the previous video how to go about broadening the search by ORing the keywords with the mesh concepts as a last resort of not finding any reliable mesh or any more results upon ORing with more meshes, broadening the mesh tree, removing the focus and the subheadings, broadening the dates. Say I did that and I didn't get enough results. Do I change my topic? No. There are always other medical databases that we can go to. Remember, Medline only indexes 5,600 journals, and definitely this is not the only number of journals that we have across the medical and science and technology field. And we have also done this for the nutrition disorders concept. We didn't go into ORing the keywords of the Arab countries as well. You can go as far as you can by adding the capital names as well as to the country names, and this will definitely retrieve us more results, even more results. Say I got too many results now. We're twisting the scenario. How would I narrow the searches? I would use AND to combine with another concept. Sometimes you ditch a concept because you think that if you only AND two concepts, you'll get too many. For example, if I'm doing, or if my topic is about contraception and the social media, I'm looking for RCTs only. I didn't use the limitation RCT, or I didn't AND contraception, for example, with the region. If you're tackling the region, you didn't AND it with the region, thinking that you will get very few results, but you got the contrary, too many results. So you would AND it with the region. You would remove the used keywords. So we don't want keyword searching at this stage. We already have too many results. I want to narrow down the results, so I would limit to the mesh searching. I would focus, which is use the major meshes. I would omit the broader descriptors. I would omit the broader meshes. I'd be specific in my meshes. I'd be using subheadings to narrow down my search. I would omit truncation if I used keyword searching. I would limit to the years, languages, countries, and reviews.